France.
Your Honor, today is the date. Miss France has a ticket for improper plates and no insurance. Nonetheless, she has proof of valid insurance and registration. Her insurance is a 6-month policy, good from 7/9/20 until 1/9/21. Her registration was obtained on October the 8th and is valid until the June 14th of 2021.
Okay, I will dismiss both counts without prejudice. Ms. France, you're all set.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day, Miss France.
Chantel Jones.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, Ms. Jones. I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Gayden Robertson, okay?
But I don't know if they called me already. That's the problem.
Sir, your phone needs to be muted. With the iPhone that don't know if we called you, you got to make sure you stay on mute. When it's your turn, we're going to call you by your name.
Everyone will be spoken to. Nobody's going to be left on the call. So if you haven't been called yet, just be patient. Ms. Jones, go ahead and hit the join button. Her offer is for failure to display.
Thank you.
Officer Al-Ghazali. Good morning. Officer, is that Officer Al-Ghazali?
You did? No, she should mail to the Zoom information. Hold on.
I can't hear anything from you, officer.
Yeah, so
Attorney Potts, who do you have today?
good morning, Judge. I'm here for last name Jarrus, Jarrous.
Okay, 9 o'clock, I'll call it.
Thanks.
You're welcome. Oh, actually, Attorney Potts, the officer is here already.
929. 436.
Yeah, I believe I have a note on my calendar that the officer was planning to dismiss it. I don't know if that's reflected in the file.
It's not in the file, and I can't hear audio from the officer. Officer Al-Ghazali, I'm going to disconnect you, and can you just call back in? Okay.
All this is in my
Okay, over to the session. Yeah, you can do the hold on. What number? The meeting ID number is 360-332-0000. 332 000 0.
Your Honor.
Yes.
I'm sorry.
I may need to go into a breakout. Well, I may need Ms. Nemi to join this breakout room. Ms. Jones has an identity theft issue that has been going on for years, and she has her police reports and everything.
Yo. Oh,
Okay.
morning, counselor.
Good morning, Bennett.
How are you?
I'm wonderful. How are you?
Good. The cake was good.
Thank you. We're on live YouTube.
Oh, my bad. Oh, well, what did you say?
Mute yourself.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Officer Bennett. Prosecutor Nemi,
Yes, Your Honor.
can we borrow you?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, I'm going to put you into the breakout room. Her name is Chantel Jones, and that was for the one offer I asked for you to make over Zoom for the failure to display.
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. I cannot find you.
We're in breakout room 1, Nemi.
Officer Bennett,
Yes, Your Honor.
you are here on Daryl Foster, is that correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, is there a Daryl Foster on the call?
Your Honor, this is Officer Al-Ghazali. I'm sorry, I had some technical difficulties with my phone, but I would like to dismiss the call. I would like to dismiss the ticket for my dependent.
Okay, there it is. Officer, Attorney Potts, did you hear that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. It's for Nadi. Calling case P10738889, the people versus Nadi Jarus, one count of improper lane usage. Today's date set for a formal hearing. Appearance.
For the record, Your Honor, Coleman Potts, P78607, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Juris.
And officer, can you put your name on the record, please?
Yes, Your Honor, my name is Officer Al-Ghazali.
Okay, and there was a recommendation to dismiss, so I will adopt it and dismiss without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you, Officer Al-Ghazali.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. They got the Zoom. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right. Bye-bye.
All day, all morning. So really good information. I answer the phones too, but sometimes
It's just,
they're like, I'm in the waiting room. There's no waiting room.
It's not.
I have a waiting
and then they appear.
Your Honor.
room. Yes.
Your Honor, I have one more request with regards to Ms. Jones. She's indicated to me that there are some additional outstanding tickets that are in her name. They may be civil infractions because she said the court told her she needs to pay some tickets. They would be linked to this identity theft issue.
And what about the identity theft issue? What?
So she had an identity theft issue where she had to go in front of internal affairs because several tickets were written in her name. She has the documentation and paperwork that she can fax over to the court or email to the court, depending upon how the court wants it, because we would ask that those civil infractions be dismissed because they're not her.
Okay.
And Miss Nemi did indicate that she's willing to dismiss the matter currently on your docket.
Okay, that's all I needed to know. So I will dismiss the matter currently, and Ms. Jones, what we'll do, because we have a lot of people here today, I will leave your file out and any civil infractions that you have, I will go ahead and dismiss those later. I don't need to put those on the record, okay?
Unmute yourself, Ms. Jones.
Oh, sorry. Thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome. So let me put it on the record before you hang up. Calling case 135-948-151, the people versus Chantel Latrice Jones, one count of driving while license not valid or improper license. Appearance.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Ms. Jones. Ms. Jones, can you state your name for the record?
Yes, Chantel Latrice Jones.
Okay, and as I just stated, I'm going to dismiss the matter before the court today, and I will also, once we get done with the docket this morning, pull the civil infractions and dismiss those as well, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome. You're all set.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too.
And where do I go? And am I able to pick my bond money back up?
They mail it back to you.
Oh, they mail it back to me. Okay.
Ms. Jones, how much was it?
It was what my glass? I can't see on nothing.
It's okay, Ms. Jones, don't worry.
Okay, I kind of forgot. I'm going through some. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. I
I
have
think
to
it was
return.
around 250 or so.
Doesn't matter. I'll return it.
Okay, thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, I didn't hear what you said.
Tanya Jackson.
Okay.
Is there Tanya Jackson on the call?
Good morning, Tanya Jackson.
Good morning, Ms. Jackson. I'm going to put you into a breakout room to speak to Attorney Gator Robinson about your case.
I'm about to go home.
Okay.
Offers for baby play. Go ahead and hit the join button. Sir, with the iPhone and rubbing your face, can you stop unmuting your phone, please?
I'm fine.
What's your name, by the way? I can put your name in here. What's your name?
Willie Jackson.
Willie Jackson?
Yes, ma'am. Middle name David.
Okay. I'm putting you on mute so that there won't be any audio or any background noise. So just stay on mute until I call your case, okay?
Okay.
And happy birthday.
Thank you,
Yes.
After all.
Thank you. Actually, Mr. Jackson, I can take care of your case right now. Go ahead and unmute your phone.
You are the healer patient, okay? All right, Ms. Kim, I'll call you back first, Ms. Thomas, okay? You're welcome. Bye. Okay, Jesus, let's see. Oh, my God. Let's see. There's a big problem. So did you call the court and let them use the Jones or the office, right? Oh, I don't.
I didn't have a meeting.
I called her, I was not gonna make it to you, but you still have to call it.
Okay, let me know I can do this 9 o'clock.
Hold on for a second. What's the first number I have to call you back, of course, in session?
Okay, this is People versus Willie Jackson. Calling cases U685020010, narcotic and drug-related violation, and strike that 125961091, driving while license not valid or improper license. Sir, Mr. Jackson, can you state your full name for the record?
My name Willie David Jackson.
Okay, Mr. Jackson, I'm going to dismiss both of your matters today without prejudice. One, for being a marijuana violation, and the other one for being older than 7 years. So I will dismiss both cases. You are all set, okay?
Excuse me, I got 3 tickets though.
Okay.
Hello?
The other one is that a,
Let's get
I only have 2, so you got to hold on, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Your Honor,
Yes.
for Ms. Jackson, you told me there's an offer for the failure to display. She also has no insurance and a state of emergency ticket per the ROA. I mean, the docket. Are those there as well?
No, I got 1 ticket in here.
Okay. So I just want to make sure.
Oh, you know what? Those are to be dismissed.
Okay. As long as I knew what was going on. I didn't want her to be half done. Can you put us back in the breakout room for just a second?
Sure.
Put us back in the breakout room for. Ms. Jackson, join the breakout room again.
Yes, ma'am. You sure will.
We have an added picture. Mr. Fisher, have you checked in? Good morning. And for everyone who's not dressed, I need you to log off and call back in when you are dressed appropriately for court. Meaning a shirt, a complete shirt.
Your Honor,
Yes,
Ms. Jackson is going to take advantage of the offer.
okay. I have Willie Jackson, I'm gonna take care of last case. And then I'll do Miss Tanya Jackson.
Okay.
Okay. This is a recall for People versus Jackson. The other remaining count is Z797192, failure to display a valid operator's license. Mr. Jackson, thank you
Yes.
for that to my attention. So I will dismiss this matter as well, as it is from 2011 and I have the ability to do so. So you are now all set. All of your cases have been dismissed, okay?
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Have a good day.
Thanks. Okay, on to Miss Tanya Jackson. Calling case 711893, count 1, no operator's license on person, count 2, no insurance, count 3, violating governor's executive order. Appearance.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Ms. Jackson. Ms. Jackson, can you state your name, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Tanya Marie Jackson.
Good morning. And is it correct, you're going to plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today in private about your case?
Yes, ma'am.
Did anyone threaten to force you or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
You understand, Ms. Jackson, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, ma'am.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to April 22nd, 2020, around 10:51 a.m. in the area of Strathmore and Eaton in the city of Detroit, operating a 2010 Ford black vehicle without an operator's license.
Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied?
I am satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will make the amendment to failure to display, dismiss the 2 remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
We do so stipulate.
Okay, and Ms. Jackson, I'm going to waive your fines and costs today, so you don't have to pay anything to the court, okay?
Thank you. So everything is dismissed, or
You
do I
plead
have
guilty.
another?
You plead guilty,
I'm sorry.
Ms. Jackson.
Thank you.
You
It's
plead
too
guilty
early.
for 1 count, it's 0 points, the other 2 counts were dismissed. So, and I
Okay.
also waive fines and costs, so you don't have to pay anything today. It would typically be about $240.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You as well. Thank you.
Thanks. Mr. Jarus, your case has already been handled.
Oh, okay, dismissed.
It was dismissed. Your attorney called in.
Thank you very much.
Welcome. Officer Baxter, good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
Your person did not check in, and it's 9:07, so it'll be a default.
All right, thank you. Have a good day, Your Honor.
You too. Thanks.
All right.
Officer Bennett, your person did not check in. You are good to go
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good morning.
as well. Let me take care of Ms. Nemi. You took a file for Lori. For who, Judge? Nemi? The prosecutor? It's a parking. Okay. It's not for me. Yeah, got it, Judge. Is there an Eric Christian on the call? Okay. Calling case D 40028005, people versus Laura Nemi. 1 count of parking meter violation. Today they set for a formal hearing. Can you state your name for the record?
Morning, Your Honor. Laura Nimi.
Okay, the time is now 9:08. Issuing officer Eric Christian has not called in. Today they set for a formal hearing, so I will dismiss without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You are welcome. Have a good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, Rochelle Johnson.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. I'm going to put you to a breakout room to speak to Attorney Gay Robertson. Her offer is for failure to display with the review to be dismissed.
Okay.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Ms. Johnson, go ahead and hit the join button on your phone. Ms. Dorothy Jackson, I have you checked in. Good morning.
Good morning.
And to the gentleman who just checked in, who is driving, I believe. Ma'am, with the braids, what is your name?
Yes. Camille Funches.
Okay. You already checked in, but I never got to change your name.
Thank you.
Carmel. Okay. Thank you. And to the Galaxy A10e.
Is that Melinda Foster?
Melinda Foster.
Yes.
Okay, good morning to you.
Good morning, Your Honor.
I just wanted to make sure I had everybody's files, everybody in order here. Okay. I'm gonna put you back on mute in the meantime.
Okay, Your Honor.
Okay, I have another iPhone here. What is your name?
Couture
I didn't hear you.
Johnson.
Victoria Johnson, good morning.
Good morning.
Your Honor,
Yes,
Ms. Johnson's gonna take advantage of the offer.
okay. I'm gonna take care of Miss Marlene Fogelman first in terms of the trial date.
Okay.
Miss Fogelman, are you on the call?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Calling case U557-13820, the people versus Marlene Fogelman. One count of obstructing a streetcar. Today's the date set for a trial. Appearance?
Attorney Phyllis Gayden Robinson, P71733 on behalf of Ms. Fogelman.
Ms. Fogelman, can you state your full name for the record?
Marlene Ellen Fogelman.
And today's the date set for the trial. Officer Rice has not appeared or called into the court, so I'm going to dismiss without prejudice. The time is 9:13. Ms. Fogelman,
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You have a good day.
Thank you. I don't have to do anything then now?
You are
I can
all set.
hang up?
Yes.
Sure.
Oh, thank you so much, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
Goodbye.
Bye. Okay, on to, we had Laura on the call. Okay, good. Thank you. Okay, Miss Rochelle Johnson,
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. Let's get you out of here. Calling cases 442-652, driver while license suspended, and P183829. Count 1, improper plates. Count 2, failure to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearance?
Attorney Phyllis Gayden Robinson on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, please state your name for the record.
Raquel Johnson.
And Ms. Johnson, is it correct you're going to plead guilty to one count of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I do.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney this morning about your case in private?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you? You can put your hand down. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Ms. Johnson, pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to December 20th, 2018, around 8:40 a.m. in the area of Sherwood and East Davidson in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2008 GMC vehicle without a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will dismiss the remaining 2 counts of their stipulation of probable cause.
We do so stipulate.
Okay, and Ms. Johnson, did you post a bond on this case?
Yes.
How much?
I paid $400.
I'm going to apply your bond to your reinstatement fees for your counts that you had to deal with today, and have the balance returned to you in the mail, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. And I'm also going to waive your fines and costs for the count you pled guilty to today. So that's typically about $240. You're
Okay, thank you.
welcome. So you're all set.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's do Diamond Johnson.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, let's see. There's some reviews in here that are not on the docket. Just noticed. Okay. Ms. Johnson, when we get done, we're gonna talk about allowing an unlicensed driver to drive your vehicle too, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right, so her offer is, for allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and the remaining counts to be dismissed.
Oh, praise God.
Johnson, we're gonna talk over in the breakout room real quick, but I'm gonna have a conversation with her that you need to have, that needs to be had, Your Honor. Don't worry.
Thank you.
You know how I do.
I know. That's all of her counts. 1, 2, 4. Somebody else. No license.
The number that you're gonna dial is 929. Oh my eyes. 2866.
Oh my eyes.
And the meeting record number is 360 332 0000. Okay, thank you. You dial that number, sir, and you put the meeting ID number in and you're connected to the courtroom. All right.
Hello.
Yes.
I'm reporting in Michael Jones.
Michael Jones?
Yes, ma'am.
About an hour late, Mr. Jones?
You said I'm late?
Yeah, about an hour.
Hello? Hello?
Yes.
This Henry Johnson.
You're late
I was
too.
calling. I know I'm late. See, the thing is, I ain't know what I was supposed to do to get to the little court thing. I was thinking that I had to go to the court. I was just about to leave and go up there.
Okay, well, I got you both checked in, Henry Johnson and Michael Jones. So go ahead and put your phones on mute, and I will get to you all as soon as everyone else has been spoken to, okay?
Okay.
Okay then, thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, Your Honor.
Yes.
This is Kiana Johnson. I never stated my name. I was just making sure that I was noted to be here.
Yep, I figured it out. I saw Kiana on there, so luckily we only have one Kiana today, so I figured it out.
I
Kiana
know,
Johnson.
and when I pressed it, I was like, oh, I should have put my last name, but I had already pressed join. Sorry about that.
You're checked in. I got you right here. You're about 2 people ahead of you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. I'll change it on here.
Honor, we're ready.
Okay. All right. This is the People versus Diamond Johnson. Calling case is P857999, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. P793453, allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Count 2, no insurance. 333186, allowing an unlicensed person to drive and no insurance. And P827849, no insurance and allowing an unlicensed driver to drive. Appearance.
Attorney Phyllis Gaten Robinson on behalf of Ms. Diamond Johnson. Ms. Johnson, can you state your name for the record?
Diamond Marie Johnson, Your Honor.
So you already had to talk?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Because I'm reading the notes and I'm seeing you driving the vehicle, and we don't need to talk about it anymore, okay? So,
Ms. Johnson, we can't hear you.
You can't hear me?
Okay, I hear you now.
Okay.
So, you have some cases that were still open that had balances on that you just needed to pay, so I'm going to close those out. And I believe that was for 2 of your accounts, 2 cases. So I'm going to zero your balance out, clean things up for you, and we can take care of the rest that's outstanding today. You're going to plead guilty to 1 count of allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Gaten Robinson today about your case?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Now are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, you to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. You can bring your attention to May 10th, 2017, around 11:25 a.m. in the city of Detroit. Did you allow an unlicensed driver to drive your 2005 Ford Green vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept your guilty plea, Ms. Johnson. Dismiss all of the cases that are not that have not been adjudicated. And my one question to you, Ms. Johnson, did you post the bond on this case?
Yes.
I didn't hear you.
I did, Your Honor.
Okay, there we go. How much did you post? If you
1380.
1380. Okay. So we're going to apply that to your reinstatement fees and return the balance it to you in the mail, okay?
You got it, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. No more allowing unlicensed people to drive you, okay?
No, yes, Your Honor. Thank you so much.
Okay. So you are all set. You're welcome. You have a good rest of your day.
You too. Thank you so much.
Bye. Okay. Melina Foster.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. Oh, it says Melina on here. Melinda.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So I'm going to put you to a breakout room. Speak to Attorney Gator Robinson in private about your case here. The offer is for operating while visibly impaired only with completion of drug court.
And what, okay, Your Honor, what's today's date for her pretrial?
Yes, pretrial.
Okay.
If we need to set it for a final pretrial, that's fine.
Ms. Foster, you're gonna join the breakout room.
So I hit join?
Yes.
And Ernest Antonio Jackson, can you unmute your phone, please?
Yes.
Good morning, I got your message.
Oh, thank you.
So you are checked in.
Okay.
I'm gonna put you back on mute.
Your Honor,
Yeah.
can you tell me the what Miss Foster blew so we can have a discussion about that?
Yeah. .29.
Yes.
I said .29.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You're fine. Attorney Gator Robinson, can you hear me?
One moment, Your Honor.
Okay.
I apologize, Your Honor.
No problem. So her PPT was a .302 and .29 once she was brought in.
Okay.
Are you
Was there an
ready?
accident?
No accident.
Okay, wonderful. I'm about to go back over to the breakout room.
Okay.
Thank you. Your Honor.
Yes, I am here.
For Ms. Foster, we're going to be requesting a final pretrial.
Okay. The people versus Melinda Foster, calling case D806671, one count of operating with a high BAC. Appearance?
Yes. Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Ms. Foster. Ms. Foster, can you state your name for the record?
Melinda Renee Foster.
Your Honor, I have spoken with Ms. Foster regarding the offer that is made to her. I would ask that offer stay open. I did give Ms. Foster some homework with regards to researching and fully understanding the drunk driving arena and what she's potentially exposing herself to with regards to penalties, costs, fines, potential jail time, license points on her license, and things of that nature. And she's going to need some time to process that information. So we're going to ask for a final pretrial.
Okay, Ms. Foster, we're at January 25th in the next year.
Okay, Your Honor.
And it'll be at 8:30. And as of now, I'm telling people to still Zoom in. You know, things are changing every day with COVID. Unless you get a letter that says to come into court, we're still gonna be on Zoom, okay?
Yes, ma'am, Your Honor.
All right, you have any questions?
No, ma'am, Your Honor.
Okay, you're all set. You have a good rest of your day.
You too, Your Honor. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, Ms. Kiana Johnson.
I'm here, Your Honor.
Okay, I'm going to put you into a breakout room.
Your Honor, can you get chats?
Yes, I'm like, who's that?
I'm going to send you a chat in just 1 second.
You say chat like Chapman, like abbreviation for Chapman. I'm like, oh, you guys call each other nicknames.
Do you have an offer for Miss Kiana Johnson?
Yes. It'll be for, let's see, where's, I'll make sure I have all of them. Do I have 6 counts in front of me? There are only 4 on the docket? Oh, I know why. Because of the duplicate here. Okay. All right, so it'll be for failure to display.
Okay, I'll go right over and talk to her once I send you this chat.
Okay.
Did you do Marlon Jones, Your Honor?
No, I don't think so. Oh, we did? I must have just missed it. I did do Marlon Jones. Why are you in the breakout room? I just missed based off of age.
Okay. I'm sorry, I was doing too much multitasking. Kiana Johnson's offer was failure to display?
Yes. Yep.
Okay, thank you. Did you get my message?
I sure did.
Thank you. Oh, not leave me. You want to the breakout room. Honor, she is going to accept that offer.
Okay. Calling case is U-807-98811 in the park after closing. P-511484, driving while license not valid or improper license, count 2, no insurance. And P-386645, no insurance, is the People versus Kiana Johnson. Appearance.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, can you state your name for the record?
Kiana Johnson.
Okay, Ms. Johnson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to an attorney today in private about your case?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand, Ms. Johnson, that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to December 29th, 2015, around 7:58 a.m. in the area of Schoolcraft in St. Mary's in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2005 Chevy black vehicle without a valid driver's license.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to accept your guilty plea. I will amend the charge to the 0-point offense of failure to display a valid operator's license. I'm going to dismiss the remaining counts before the court. Ms. Johnson, my question to you is, did you post a bond on any of these cases?
Yes, I posted a $400 bond in August.
Okay, so I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fees. That's a charge with the Secretary of State that helps you get your license back in order. And I'm going to waive your fines and costs for the count you pled guilty to today. Okay, so that's about $240 that you don't have to pay today, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
So with the $240 that's applied, the rest of it, will that be mailed to me?
Yes, I forgot to tell you. It'll be sent to you in the mail.
Okay, so I only have to just go to the Secretary of State and reapply for my license?
Well, yeah, and wait about 48 hours to give, so that the information from the court to apply the bond. We had a lot of bonds being applied, a lot going on. So give it about 48 hours to the Secretary of State to receive the information.
Okay, thank you so much, Your Honor. I appreciate it.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. Okay, Ms. Couture Johnson, go ahead and accept the invitation to hit join. Attorney Gator Robinson will be in there shortly.
Your Honor, what's her offer?
It's for failure to display.
All right, I'm going over.
Okay, and Mr. Marvin Smith, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm here on Bobby Field. Bobby Roy Field.
Okay. Mr. Fields never checked in.
You know what? He's here with me. Let me get him. At least I think he's supposed to be here.
We almost put a warrant out.
You know what? I got him right here. Come on, Mr. Field. Okay.
So, Mr. Fields.
Judge, he should be in the picture. That's Mr. Fields.
Okay. Good morning, Mr. Fields.
Good morning.
So Mr. Fields has 6 counts here. The offer is for him to plead guilty to 1 count of failure to display a valid operator's license, which is 0 points, and the remaining 5 will be dismissed.
Yes, Judge, he's going to take that offer.
Okay. All right, I can do that right now then. Calling case is P6555529, the People versus Bobby Roy Fields. Count 1, driving while license not valid or improper license. Count 2, driving unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance. And X3306987, no operator's license. Count 2, no proof of insurance. And count 3, which is a warning for no plate. Appearance, please, for the record.
Yeah. Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this honorable court. Marvin Smith, P41281, on behalf of Mr. Fields.
Mr. Fields, please state your full name, please.
Bobby Roy Fields.
Okay, Mr. Fields, is it correct you're gonna plead guilty to 1 0-point offense of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yeah.
You gotta speak up a little bit louder.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney, Mr. Smith, today in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to May 16th, 2016, around 11:59 a.m. in the area of Warren and Daniels in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2004 gray vehicle without a valid license.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept your guilty plea, Mr. Fields, and I will dismiss the remaining counts before the court. I'm also waiving fines and costs today, Mr. Fields. So it's your lucky day. You do not have to pay anything to the court, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Any questions? I think your phone went on mute. Okay. There we go,
Okay.
Mr. Smith, Attorney Smith, there we go.
Great.
Any questions or anything else?
No, thank you, Your Honor. So there's no reinstatement fees or anything he has to pay?
So the reinstatement fees, I'm sure he'll have to pay based off of the age of the case. Those go to the Secretary of State. Did your client, Mr. Field, pay for a bond? What is going on?
Yes, he has an $850 bond.
Okay, so I will apply his bond to his reinstatement fees and have the balance returned.
Great. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You all have a good day.
Okay, so we're all set, Your Honor?
You are all set.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Thank
You're
you, Your Honor.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, we ready on Ms. Johnson?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
She's gonna take advantage of the offer.
Okay. This is the people versus Keturah Johnson. Calling cases P841764, driver while license suspended, count 2, no insurance, and P107729, failure to display a valid operator's license, count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle, and count 3, no insurance. Appearance.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733, on behalf of Ms. Johnson. Ms. Johnson, can you please state your name for the record?
Keturah Johnson.
Ms. Johnson, is it correct you're going to plead to 1 count of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you provide the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Ms. Johnson, you have to answer the question.
I said yes, ma'am. Can you hear me?
I can hear you
Can you
now.
hear me?
It's a little delayed. That's okay.
I said yes, ma'am.
Okay. And you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney today in private about your case.
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
And that you're waiving that right to continue and plead guilty.
Yes.
I'd like to bring attention to January 24th, 2017, around 1:59 p.m. in the area of Van Dyke and 7 Mile in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2007 Chevy silver vehicle without a valid driver's license.
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will accept the guilty plea, dismiss the remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
We do so stipulate, Your Honor.
Okay, for sentencing purposes, I will waive Ms. Johnson's fines and costs. If you posted a bond, Ms. Johnson, I will have that bond applied to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Thanks. Okay, Ms. Carmen Johns?
Yes, Your Honor.
Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to put you in a breakout room to speak to Attorney Gator Robinson about your case.
Okay.
So go ahead and hit join when it pops up on your screen. And her offer is for limited access 1 to 5 over, and the driver with license suspended and no insurance will be dismissed.
Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Your Honor, we're ready.
Okay, this is People versus Carmen Johns. Calling case is P1048581. Driver while license suspended, count 2, no insurance. And P1048584, failure to stop for a stop sign. Appearance.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Ms. Johns. Ms. Johns, can you state your name for the record?
Carmen Johns.
And what are we doing for Ms. Johns? Ms. Johns, are you taking the offer?
Yes.
Okay. And just for the record, it's for limited access 1 to 5 over from the original charge of failure to stop and stop sign, and the 2 misdemeanor counts will be dismissed. Is that your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. Counsel, is there a stipulation to the face of the ticket for the responsible plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So I will accept your responsible plea, dismiss the 2 remaining counts, and Ms. Johns, I'm going to waive your fines and costs as well.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Did you post the bond?
Yes, Your Honor.
How much?
I think it was $490.
Okay. I'll have whatever that needs to be applied to your reinstatement fees, and the rest will be sent to you back in the mail, okay?
So you said in a couple days or after 48 hours, I can go and apply for my license?
Yes, but still check online to see if it's cleared.
Give them about a week, Ms.
Okay.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I thought you were finished talking.
No, it's fine. Just check online before you waste your time and go in there to see. You can check on the 36th District Court's website to see if there's anything outstanding still. But yeah,
Okay.
you probably wait a week because It's a lot going on with entering dailies right now.
Okay, because I think I might have paid everything, all the remainder tickets.
Okay, so just give court some time to enter, get your bond applied to your reinstatement.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. You have a good day.
Thank you, you as well.
Carmel Funches.
Yes.
Her offer for improper plates, and I'll dismiss the rest.
All right.
Put you on the breakout. Ms. Funches, go ahead and hit join when it pops up on the screen.
Yes, Ms. Judge.
She's still there.
Honor?
Yep, you ready?
Yes, she's going to accept the offer.
Okay, it's a pretty good one.
It's an awesome one.
People versus Carmel Funches, calling cases 315-016. Count 1, improper plate. Count 2, no vehicle insurance. Count 3, no valid operator's license in possession. P693381, improper plate. Count 2, driving unregistered or untitled vehicle. Count 3, failure to display a valid operator's license. 134-33415, uninsured motor vehicle and no operator's permit. And 135-19870, driving while license not valid and driving uninsured motor vehicle. Here.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson on behalf of Ms. Funches. Ms. Funches, can you state your name for the record?
Camille Funches.
Ms. Funches, go ahead and raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, Your Honor.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Gayton Robinson today in private about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, Your Honor.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you.
God bless you, Your Honor.
Are you pleading, excuse me, are you pleading guilty on your?
I'm sorry.
It's okay. Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
And are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, you want to continue and plead guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
I'd like to bring your attention to October 10th, 2016, around 10:30 a.m. in the area of Wyoming and Linden, the city of Detroit. We operated a 2001 blue GMC vehicle with improper plates.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, also, missed the case is 410172, and that's no operator's license on person. That will be part of the dismissed cases. There stipulates the probable cause for all of those.
We do so stipulate, Your Honor.
Okay, and Ms. Bunches, I'm sure you had to pay some type of bond, did you not?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, I will have that applied to your reinstatement fees and have the balance returned to you in the mail, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. And I'm also waiving your fines and costs, just for the record, for today's case.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
That don't make you get it together. I don't know what will.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. You have a good rest of your day.
You as well. Thank you.
Okay, let's put you in with Dorothy Jackson. She has 3 counts, and the offers for improper plates. Ms. Jackson, go ahead and unmute your phone.
Oh, yes, ma'am, thank you. If I said no, what you gonna say?
What you need? What you need? I see what I can do to help you. I cannot guarantee that I can help you, but I'm going to at least ask, and maybe if I help you simple like a piece of candy.
Okay. Yes, could you ask Martha, did she get Mr. Smith's P number?
Yes, I got it. Thank you.
Oh, I need it.
Oh, you need it?
Yes, ma'am, because he didn't file an appearance, so I need to put it in.
Are you ready?
Yes.
412.
Your Honor.
Yes.
She's going to accept the offer.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, can you take your hair wrap off if it's not for a religious reason? Thank you. Okay, calling case P 1035610, People versus Dorothy Jackson, calling. Are you called it? Let me make sure. Okay, count 1, driving unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance. Appearance?
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P 71733, on behalf of Ms. Jackson. Ms. Jackson, please state your name for the record.
Dorothy Jackson.
Good morning.
Morning.
Your Honor, Ms. Jackson has been made an offer that she'd like to take advantage of.
Okay, Ms. Jackson, can you raise your right hand? Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Gayton Robinson about your case in private today?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
And are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to October 24th, 2019, around 11:33 a.m. in the area of Conant and East Nevada in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2004 Jeep Go vehicle with improper plates?
Yes.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, I will dismiss the 2 remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
There is, Your Honor.
Okay, and Ms. Jackson, did you post a bond on this case?
Yes.
How much?
$750.
Okay, so this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to waive your fines and costs today. So that means you don't have to pay $240. I'm going to apply your bond to your reinstatement fees, okay?
Yes.
And have the balance returned to you in the mail.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Do you have any questions?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, you have a good rest of your day.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Let's do Mr. Ernest Antonio Jackson.
Yes.
You're next after Mr. Jackson.
I'm sorry, can you say that again?
Go ahead and start your video, Mr. Jackson.
It says you have it disabled.
How about now?
Okay. Yep, it's on.
Okay. This is gonna be an easy one. Attorney Gayton Robinson, his counts are all state counts.
I can't
Okay.
hear you. Mr. Jackson, are you driving?
No, I'm stationary.
Is that your blinker? What's that noise?
Oh, I'm sorry, I got it off now. I
Okay,
had my
I'm
hazard
sorry.
off.
I couldn't hear over it. What were you saying, Your Honor?
Well, I'm saying I think it'd be best to set this one for a trial since it's the state, all state case count. It's the state trooper on this case.
Okay, no problem.
Okay. So, Mr. Jackson, go ahead and hit join.
Your Honor. With regards to
Yes, I was on mute.
with regards to Mr. Jackson, from my docket, it appears if today is the date and time set for trial for Mr. Jackson.
Is it?
Yes, Your Honor, and as a direct result, I'd be making a motion for a dismissal.
Ah, you are correct. Okay. That's the easy one. Calling case X3678918, the people versus Ernest Jackson. Count one, no operator's license on person. Count two, speeding on the freeway, 1 to 5 over. And count three, failure to signal and proper signal. Mr. Jackson, can you state your name, please?
I'm sorry, I can't hear you.
Can you state your full name?
My full name is Ernest Antonio Jackson.
Okay, I'm going to grant your motion, Attorney Gator Robinson, as Trooper Christensen has not called into court. It's 10/16. Today is the date set for a trial, so I will dismiss all three without prejudice.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. You have a good rest of your day.
You as well.
Thank you. Mr. Fisher?
Yeah, you can leave. Yes, you leave now, Mr. Jackson.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
You're welcome. Mr. Fisher, can you hear me? I don't know why we can't hear you.
Is your audio connected, Mr. Fisher?
It is. It's saying it's connected on here. Mr. Fisher, we're not going to go anywhere. Just hang up and dial right back in to Zoom. Sometimes you just have to call back in and connect your audio. We'll still be here. Okay. Michael Jones?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, what is your number, the 5162523?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, let's see here. Let's see if Mr. Fisher's audio works. Before I move on to Mr. Jones. Mr. Fisher, can you say something? Still can't hear. Okay, Mr. Fisher, what I'm gonna have you do is dial in for audio only.
Sir, you're in court, sir. That just logged on. You 2 hours late for court. You probably shouldn't join drinking your coffee.
I apologize, ma'am. I was trying to get on all morning.
You're in court. You're in court. You got to function like you're in court. Okay, sir?
I apologize.
Okay, Mr. Fisher. So call this number 929 436 2866. And they're going to ask you for the meeting ID number. It's the same meeting ID number, the 360-332-0000. And sir, who just checked in, what is your name? With the iPhone, drinking coffee?
Ma'am, I'm sorry. How you doing, ma'am? My name is Jeffrey Jackson.
Jeffrey Jackson, what are you doing? Why are you so late?
I was trying, but unfortunately the website doesn't give me proper instructions on how to access the Zoom login. So I've been trying to call all morning since 9 o'clock, but I apologize for my tardiness.
Okay, you know our website does have instructions on there, right?
Yeah, but it doesn't give me the ID our actual video, it just says 000.
Okay, Michael, get it to, back and forth with it, you hear? Let's see,
I don't see that.
Jeffrey Jackson,
Yes, ma'am.
um,
Your Honor, we got a couple.
other.
I think Mr. Fisher's here. Mr. Fisher, is that you in the 248 number?
Yeah, that's me. 248929.
So should I just pause again,
Yeah.
Michael Jones?
Hold on for a second, Mr. Jones.
Okay, I'm gonna pause.
Trying to get Mr. Fisher's audio, then we'll get to you next, Mr. Jones. Okay, Mr. Fisher,
Yes, Your Honor.
there we go. Okay, good morning.
Good morning.
I'm going to put you to a breakout room to speak to Attorney Gator Robinson about your case, okay?
Okay.
His offer is for driving while license not valid or improper license. I mean, his offer is for failure to display.
I was going to say, that's not off. Okay. Okay. Like they was doing good. What happened? How they mess up at the end? Okay. Thank you.
Jeffrey Jackson. Mr. Jeffrey Jackson, what does the notice say on your, what notice did you get? What date is on your notice card?
What date on my notice? To appear Wednesday, 10/14. That's it right here.
Today.
Case number, Judge, I can look.
Do you have a case number on that notification? Because I do not see you on the docket.
Is that the ticket number? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
S is in Steve, P is in Paul, 109856444. I think that's OI.
Okay.
It's pre-hearing, Judge. He's in the wrong courtroom.
Oh,
He should be in 218.
So they're probably done.
They do it all day. It's
All
not
day?
time. Yes, ma'am.
You said 218?
218. I don't even have.
What's the charge for?
Careless driving. They're going to reduce it to blockade traffic if you want to go on and do it. That's all they're going to do.
Okay, that's fine. I'll do it. Thank you.
Okay.
Sure.
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Jackson, you're in the wrong
Yes, ma'am.
courtroom, but I'm going to take care of you since you're here. Okay?
I was trying all morning and still failed to make it to the right courtroom.
That's okay. Your failure's going to help you out today.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it's going to work in your favor. So,
I'm-
hold tight, okay?
Oh, I can be an
I
hour
sure will.
Yeah. Okay, ready on Mr. Fisher?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, this is the People versus Adam Fisher. Calling case P1038853, one count of driving while license not valid or improper appearance.
Attorney Phyllis Gayton Robinson, P71733 on behalf of Mr. Fisher. Mr. Fisher, can you state your name for the record?
Adam Fisher.
Your Honor, Mr. Fisher has been made an offer that he would like to take advantage of.
Okay, Mr. Fisher, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Gator Robinson in private today about your case?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you're actually guilty?
Yes.
Do you understand that pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes, I do.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you want to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay, I'd like to bring your attention to November 5th, 2019, around 1:57 p.m. in the area of Junction and Fisher Service Drive in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2001 tan Mitsubishi without a valid driver's license?
Yes.
Okay, satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Fisher, did you post a bond on this case?
Yes, I did.
Okay, how much?
240.
Okay. I am going to waive your fines and costs for today, so that's $240 you don't have to pay. If you have a
Okay.
reinstatement fee, I will apply your bond to your reinstatement fee and just have the rest returned to you in the mail, okay?
Okay, that sounds great.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, you're all set. You have a good day.
Okay, thank you. You too.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, now back to Mr. Michael Jones.
Here.
Okay, now we're gonna put you to a breakout room. And his offer is for failure to display with the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 counts to be dismissed.
All right, Your Honor, we got another iPhone, and then we got that telephone ending in 0555 in front of Mr. Jackson.
I have Henry Johnson, but I keep asking the iPhone person to unmute and start the video, but I'm not getting a response. So.
Okay.
Mr. Jeffrey Jackson, I can take care of yours actually, without a lawyer.
Okay.
So, your original count is careless driving. I can offer you blockading traffic. It's a 0-point offense. And I'm also waiving fines and costs today. So that's the best deal you can get.
Sure.
So you waiving fines and costs? So what? So I don't have to pay anything?
That's what that means.
Oh yeah, I'll go with that.
Okay. I would too.
I appreciate that.
See what happens when you call into court and make
Right.
mistakes, be 2 hours late? Look what you did.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I still have to call the case, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Calling case SP 109-85644, the people versus Jeffrey Jerome Jackson, 1 count of careless driving. Can you state your name, please?
Jeffrey Jackson.
Okay, Mr. Jackson, as I just stated, the offer is for blockading traffic. Do you want to accept responsibility for blockading traffic?
I do.
Okay, and that was on July 17, 2020, around 8:10 p.m. in a
Yes.
2000. What type of vehicle was it?
Mercury Marauder.
Okay, in the city of Detroit, correct?
Yes.
Okay, just like that, I accepted your responsible plea and I amend the charge of blockading traffic, so you are good to go.
Thank you, Honor, and you guys have a great day.
You too. Finish that coffee.
I definitely will.
Your Honor, we are ready on Mr. Jones.
Okay. Calling cases 710206, driving while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance. 290928, no operator's license on person and driving uninsured motor vehicle. And P807683, failure to display a valid operator's license. And no insurance is the people versus Michael Henry Lewis Jones. Appearance.
Attorney Gabe Robinson on behalf of Mr. Jones. Mr. Jones, can you please state your name for the record?
Oh, you know what? He's still in the breakout room. Let me get him in there. Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Oh, there he is. Okay. Can you state your full name for the record, please?
Michael Jones.
Okay. Is it correct you're going to plead guilty to the 0-point offense of failure to display a valid operator's license?
Yes.
Okay. Do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to provide is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Gaden Robinson today about your case in private?
Yes.
Okay. Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes.
I didn't hear you.
Yes.
Okay. Do you understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial?
Yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
I'd like to bring your attention to January 13th, 2020, around 4:20 p.m. in the area or in front of the location 485 Phillip Street in the city of Detroit. Were you operating a 2010 Chevy Blue vehicle without a valid driver's license? You said one more time your audio went out. Mr. Jones?
Yes.
Are you there? Oh, okay.
Yes.
Okay. So I will accept your guilty plea, amend the charge to failure to display a valid operator's license, and dismiss the remaining counts. Is there a stipulation of probable cause?
We do so stipulate.
Okay, Mr. Jones, excuse me. If you've been listening, I've been waiving fines and costs today, so I will do the same with you, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you post the bond?
Yes. $400.
Okay, I'll apply that to your reinstatement fees. That will help start the process of getting your license back, okay?
Thank you.
You're welcome, and I'll have the balance returned, if there is any balance, in the mail, okay?
Okay. You ladies have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, we have Henry Johnson. Is there a Henry Johnson Jr. on the call?
Yes, I'm here.
Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Let's see here. He has one case I could dismiss today. It's for marijuana case.
I'm not arguing with any dismissals.
Okay. So that's case U-162-71714, the people versus Henry Allen Johnson Jr. One count of violation of city controlled substance code. It says here that he had a small Ziploc bag with marijuana in it, so I will dismiss that without prejudice.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
You're welcome. Now, his other count is from 2014, and it's driving while license not valid.
Yeah.
Now, let me ask you this, Mr. Johnson. As far as the rest of your, do you have any other outstanding cases that are holding you up from getting your license?
Yes, I do. I'm actually taking care of them now. That's why I paid the little $100 bond for this one, so I can start knocking them all down.
Well, how many other jurisdictions do you have to take care of?
I think it's like three of them: Pontiac, Bloomfield, and Rochester.
Okay. All right.
Once I get those taken care of, then I can get my license back. They just waiting on me to pay the little court fees.
Okay. So the offer I can give them failure to display. I can't dismiss it. I was trying
Huh?
I was talking to Attorney Gator Robinson about your offer. So it'll be from failure to display.
No problem, Your Honor. Can I speak to him in the breakout room and explain to him what's going on?
Sure. Mr. Johnson,
Can you say that one more time? You was breaking up a little bit.
is your number
You broke up again. The number is 313. What's his number? This is a new number. It's 313. 655.
677-0555.
Put him in the breakout room. He's in there. We still have one person who's not responding. Did he get disconnected?
No, Your Honor, he's still in the breakout room. I can't pull him back. You have to.
Okay, I closed it. All right, Mr. Johnson.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Wherever you are right now, just stay there because it's quiet and we can hear you. Okay.
All right.
145666956, the people versus Henry Allen Johnson, one kind of driver while license not valid. Appearance.
Attorney Gaten
Yes.
Robinson on behalf of Mr. Johnson. Mr. Johnson, can you state your name for the record?
Yes. My name is Henry Allen Johnson Jr.
Your Honor, he'd like to take advantage of the offer.
Okay. You swear or affirm, Mr. Johnson, to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Yes.
Did you have an opportunity to speak to Attorney Gaten Robinson today in private about your case?
Yes, I did.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty on your own free will?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are actually guilty?
Yes.
You understand pleading guilty today will waive your right to a trial.
Yes, yes.
Knowing that you're waiving that right, do you wish to continue and plead guilty?
Yes.
Okay. I'd like to bring your attention to August 8, 2014, around 5:20 p.m. in the area of Braille and Cambridge in the city of Detroit. We're operating a 2002 Chrysler blue vehicle without a valid driver's license.
Yeah.
Yes?
Yes, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Satisfied?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
Okay.
Satisfied.
I will amend to failure to display a valid operator's license. Mr. Johnson, I'm going to waive your fines and costs today. So you save that money and use it towards clearing up some other tickets you have, okay?
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that.
You are welcome. Did you post a bond?
Yes, I did. It was for $100. That's all.
Okay. That's all? That's it?
Mm-hmm.
Like, you want it back? You said it like it's nothing. Like
In comparison to what it could have been, Your Honor, and the numbers we heard this morning, his number was, he just wanted you to know he hadn't paid like other people.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it was kind of low. Yeah, I was saying like I was actually unexpecting that. Like I thought it was gonna be way more when I came in.
Well, I'm going to apply it to your reinstatement fee. So that'd be $45 taken out, and so the balance will be sent to you.
Okay, cool.
So you came out on top today.
Yeah. The first, what I'm the last person?
I hope so.
First to be last.
Huh?
Yeah, sometimes the first be last, the last be first.
Have a great one, Mr. Johnson.
I appreciate y'all. Y'all do too. I'm glad y'all was in a good mood today.
Every day.
I'll tell y'all ladies have a good day.
Okay, you too.
All right, now I appreciate it.
Bye.
Bye-bye.